Hello, everybody. It's Maria Brophy, and today we're going to talk about how to make 100% sure your big, fat goal comes to life. Did you know that if you write your goal down, you have a 42% chance of making it happen? But I have a way of raising that 42% to 100%. And I'm going to share that with you in this video. So, what I want you to do right now is just think about one big goal that you want to make happen. And I want it to be big. So, I'll give you an example of mine. And this is one I'm going to use throughout this video. When I started writing this book a couple years ago, I had this big fat goal of my book, COVID, A Love Story, being an international bestseller. And I hadn't even started writing it yet. So I'm going to use this as an example. Maybe your goal is to sell a $10,000 painting. And right now you're only selling $1,000 paintings. So that's a big goal and it's a great goal. It's a lofty goal. Maybe your goal is to have a big art show in like Las Vegas at the most impressive hotel. Here's how you can ensure with 100% certainty that it will happen. Number one, and if you've been listening to me for a while, you know what I'm going to say already. I know you know. Number one is get clarity on what your goal is, write it down. This is how you declare it to the universe, to yourself, and to everybody in your life that this is what you're going for. Just the declaration and the decision alone sets things in motion. Number two, you are going to write down details that accompany the goal. What does it look like when you hit that goal? Who do you see? Who's enjoying it? Where is it? Who is it affecting? What is it impacting? So for me, with my book, I envisioned myself writing a book that is so fascinating that people who buy it cannot put it down, that they read it in a day and a half, that it's a page turner. So that's one of the details I wrote down is that COVID, A Love Story will be a page turner. Now, what's interesting about this, I'm going to do a little side note right now. What's interesting about this is I had no idea how to write a page turner. And in the beginning, I heard myself say over and over again, I don't write memoirs. I only write business books. I don't know how to write a memoir. And then I caught myself saying that. And so I flipped it and I said, I'm learning how to write a memoir. I'm learning how to write a page turner. And that was how I started programming my brain to create this goal that I was trying to create. Now, step number three, and we're still writing again. Now you're going to write down emotional things that you're going to feel as you're creating this goal and bringing it to life, and how you're going to feel when you bring it to life. So for me, I would feel excited when my book becomes an international bestseller. I envision my book being translated into a dozen different languages and how that would make me feel elated that my friends in South America and Panama and these other countries where their first language is Espanol, that they'll be able to read my book and in other countries as well. So write down what emotions you will feel when it comes true. Now, the next step is to visualize this all unfolding as if it's a movie. And you want to turn it into a future memory. So you are creating a memory of something that has not yet happened. And you want to think of it often. Now, number 5, this is where the rubber meets the road. And I'm going to take you into my writing room, and excuse my Christmas mess. My house is a little messy from Christmas, and I'm working from home. That's why you are here with me right now. This is my writing room. And it took me 2 years to write this book. 2 years to figure out how to turn it into a page turner. But what I did was I wrote a declaration of what the most important thing was for me, the outcome for my book. And it goes like this. And I wrote this a couple years ago, right when I started writing the book. There is a book I am writing destined to improve the lives of millions and bring consciousness, hope, and inspiration to the world. It will be translated into multiple languages. I will give talks all over the world to thousands of people and receive great financial abundance. And then, because my book contains so many human angels in it, and that's kind of an underlying theme in it, I have a piece of art of Jesus, and I have a piece of art. This is an original painting of an angel. And so there are reminders everywhere of what I'm doing and my belief. And of course, I wrote in my journal every single day. I would write my vision. And I did this almost every day for 2 years. And I still am doing this because my vision keeps expanding. But I would write my vision in my book, and then I would visualize it and I would get into the feeling of it. So, one of the things that I wrote down is that I would be paid to speak about my book. And that happened. And it happened. I got hired to go speak on a luxury yacht in Croatia over 5 days. And it was a 7-day cruise. That transpired. Now, my book has not been translated into a dozen languages yet, but it will be. And that leads me to step number 6. And step number 6 is let go of the timing of this. Let go of it. Don't get attached to when you want it to happen. Don't get attached to how you want it to happen. Just keep taking action every day. Keep working on knowing what you want and all the little details and visualizing it and feeling it. And it will happen. This is the work that we do in my Art Money Success Mastermind. Every Monday, we do these visualization and writing practices because repetition, it's like, think of it this way, you're brainwashing yourself for success. That's what repetition of these thoughts, these ideas, these dreams, and the emotions attached to them does. It brainwashes you. It tricks your mind into believing that it's already happened. And then your mind's looking for ways to make it happen. It's incredible. I mean, this is like magic, but you do have to be patient and you can't put restrictions on yourself. Now, if you want to join my mastermind right between now and January 1st, I have a half price special for people who sign up for the whole year. And hey, if you want to make big things happen, sign up, join my group. We meet every Monday and we also meet other times throughout the month as well. And we do all kinds of things, but we do a lot of repetition on this work because this is where the magic is. I hope this was helpful. Leave me a comment, please. I'd love to hear your feedback on this. And also hit subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a great new year. I love you. I mean it. I'll see you in the next